Here's a hot rod for you, a 1954 Ford F100 pickup truck. It's got the big fat tires under the back. You'll not believe what's under the hood. Cadillac 500 cubic inch engine, I think at the time or for a long time, was the largest V8 ever made. Well, that's what's under there, and it's performance built, and it's now a 507 cubic inch motor. It's got the turbo 400 automatic, a narrowed 9-inch in the back. This is a cool, well-built truck, body off frame restored. Go to volocars.com where you can read all the information, look at the pictures top to bottom, and that is where you'll find a price tag on every one of our cars along with the monthly finance option. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, and you'll be notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, the body was off the frame. It's the original frame. It does look like it's been boxed and painted. It has a 72 Camaro front clip, 2-inch drop spindles. When it was restored, that was all rebuilt. In back, it has custom suspension, custom-made ladder bars, old school type ladder bars. Has the leaf springs with lowering blocks, and of course the shocks were replaced. Has a custom exhaust, Terminator mufflers. They come right out the side here. Sounds amazing. You got to hear it at the end of the video. Of course, the brake system was completely redone when they built the truck. Disc and brake, 11-inch drum in the back. You look up at the motor. It's nice and clean. It has a custom gas tank instead of behind the seat. There's like a saddle tank, they call it. Looks like stainless steel tank underneath there. Turbo 400 automatic trans, has a Buick Grand National torque converter, 2500 stall, shift kit, oil cooler up front for the trans, big fat custom drive shaft, Ford 9-inch rear end with 350 gears in it. A lot of the chassis components are painted this Grabber Blue. So the body, let's check it out. It's all metal. It's a real 54 truck. All clean, straight, actually very impressive. I like what I see. Really nice, straight. I don't see any damage. I don't see wrinkles or shrinkage or body work. All of this looks great, and it's all metal. All looks great. The roof, the doors, all real nice. Cab corners, smooth. All of this is nice. It does have fiberglass running boards. The rest of it is all metal. It's actually a new box in the back, metal fenders. The body works outstanding. It's been the same owner the last 20 years on this truck. I got it locally. Has the Ford tailgate with custom latches. Has stainless steel bumpers front and back. The old school style tail lights look great. License plate hanging down. Here's the third brake light in the middle. Has a sliding rear window. It's all smoked glass. New handles, mirrors, all new rubber gaskets around the windows. And the welting between the fenders, that's all been replaced. Has some Kreger, I think they're called Pro Light wheels, skinny in the front, really wide in back with some Hoosier like street strip tires on the back here, in great shape. This happens to be a locking gas cap as well, kind of cool. So the outside of the truck's looking really nice. Grill, all that, everything fits nice. This is a high quality build. So far what I'm seeing, this is really nice. This is ready to go to any car show. Let's open it up and see what we got under that hood. So the tailgate does open. It has these polished latches right here. They don't have the cables or chains on it to hold it up. So if you're going to have tailgate parties, you should do that. You can see it's tubbed in the back. That's what these big humps are for. It's for the monster tires. All clean metal because it's new. You got refinished oak on the floor with some stainless hardware. Painted Grabber Blue, PPG paint. And this truck's been done a while. There's 10,000 miles on the truck. I keep telling you it's a hot rod, but it's a truck you get in and drive too. All the inside of the cab is painted to match. New weather strips around the doors. Custom upholstered. You can see the door panels and the seats all real nice. Billet handles. All nice painted. Custom instrument panel. Stewart Warner gauges. 10,511 miles. Now it's all set up for air conditioning. Everything inside the truck is here. It stops at the firewall. If you want to put air, you just have to do whatever is required under the hood. All upholstered, carpeted. The seat's nice and comfortable. It has seat belts with retractable shoulder belts. It's all lined with sound deadener. B&M shifter on the floor. Some nice pedals. It has the original style, like I call it cardboard headliner and visors. Tilt column with a nice cushion grip wheel. And then there's a binder with a lot of the information about this truck. That's always nice to have. So it has a custom hood latch assembly, hinge assembly. It still pops in the front, and then it rolls forward and tips forward like so. I think that would go right there in the middle. So that is a 500 cubic inch Cadillac motor. It's been bored to a 507. Edelbrock intake and carburetor on top. HEI Excel ignition system. Custom made valve covers by the owner. Custom made headers by the owner, and they've been jet hot coated. Aluminum radiator with the shroud and a clutch fan. Looking at my notes, see if there's anything more I can tell you about the engine. Yeah, it's custom billet cam, silver light pistons, blueprinted HEI distributor, Mallory fuel pump. That's a 750 Edelbrock carb. That's a Griffin aluminum radiator. It has an overflow tank, all painted up real nice inside. Definitely sounds like a hot rod. Actually heard this running the other day. I had to peek around the corner and see what it was because it sounded so good. I'm very impressed now that I've really looked this truck over. I'm very happy with the build. It wasn't just built yesterday, so it is going to hold up real well because it's already done so. He said 98% of the hardware is stainless steel. I just remember because there's stainless steel nuts and bolts everywhere that I'm looking at. I like this hood. That's kind of cool, the way it opens and closes. Now watch this. You just roll it back. Voila, and a Cadillac motor under the hood. Who would have thought? Go to volocars.com. Talk to the salesman about your questions. They'll help get this delivered. They'll help get it financed for you. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.